I'm going to be sharing a few pages of my newest book, which is The Realistic Animals in Coloured Pencil. Really, really, really excited about this. If you've pre-ordered, it will be winging its way to you in the next couple of weeks. If you've ordered a signed copy from me, so there's a limited number of signed copies that I'm going to be doing, then those are also going to be coming out to you within the next couple of weeks. So we've got the cover here of the two Labradors. And this is a tutorial inside the book, so that's really exciting. If we look inside, it's really beautifully laid out. There's Milo there, a little bit of an introduction, going through some of the tools that I use and the different colour pencils and everything. And just a little bit of an overview about everything. This isn't specifically a how-to book. This is, it's got 5 tutorials in it. I've tried to kind of give you as much information as possible so that you can recreate these pieces. And the front of the book is all about all of the different things that, sharpeners and erasers and all of that type of thing. But the reproduction of the images has been really, really super. This is a tutorial on Patreon, actually, of this lovely hare. And yeah, I think they've come out very, very nicely, on the pages, and we've got a little spring watch there as well. So as you can see, it's a really beautifully presented book. We've got lovely Vinny there. He's very excited about being famous. Another tutorial here with the lion, and we've got the tiger there as well. So it's just such a lovely, lovely book. Honestly, it feels really nice. The images have reproduced really nicely. These are just sort of like elements of teeth and tongues and hair and dogs' noses, and there's little Parker there as well. So it kind of goes into a few do's and don'ts, a few tips, all of that type of thing. And then we get into the actual tutorial. So this is the project one, which is the little kitten. We've then got project, let's have a look. That's the end bit. So it takes you sort of through all of these pages step by step, how to create the little kitten and what to do. And then we go into the next one, which is the Labradors. All of your pencils and everything are listed down here, and again we kind of go through. They're all colour coded as well, which is quite good. So we've got the Labradors, 2 Labradors here, how to create both of them. So it's not just the yellow one, you've got the black one there as well, plus the collar, which is really cool. Then we go on to the zebra. Again, pages and pages showing you kind of how to create, and they're all on different surfaces as well. So you don't have to just do them on one surface. So we've got the pink ones of the zebra. So here we go. And then we get into, oh gosh, you're going to love this one, the peacock. This was a really, really complicated piece. Again, you've got all of your palette of colours down here. This is quite a long tutorial, this peacock. And we've got kind of the finished piece here. This is almost life size, actually. It was a really complicated piece. It had some amazing vibrant colours and everything in it, as you can see here. The colours have reproduced really, really beautifully. And I've tried to kind of simplify it, and make it so that it's not following every single detail in the photograph, but it's kind of using techniques so that you'll be able to kind of reproduce the feel and the texture and everything. But this was a really, really lovely one to do, I have to say. It is quite long. And then the last one is the lovely horse. Now this is a quick one, speedy one at the end. The black horse it's like a very dark horse on a dark background, so it's a little bit different to the others, but it's quite a speedy one. It takes about 3 or 4 hours, that one, so there's not a huge amount in there. And then we've got my lovely bio at the end, telling you a little bit more about me and one of my newest photos in there. So I hope you enjoy it. I know you will enjoy it. If you haven't already pre-ordered one, then do. Once you once you get yours, do take a picture of it and tag me on social media, because I'd love to see you, with your copy, and I'd love to see some of the pieces that you do from it as well.